Welcome back to my channel. Let us look into words and antonyms in Igbo. Ka anyị neba anya na okwu ya na azuokwu ya n'Igbo. Before we go on, always subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share them, okay? Thank you all my returning subscribers. I appreciate all of you. Let's start. Number 1 says up, up, enu or elu, up. The opposite of it is ana, ana, enu, ana, enu, ana, enu, ana, up, down, up, down. Another one is side, side, side. Side means akụkụ in Igbo. Side, akụkụ. Opposite of side is middle, middle, etiti, middle, etiti. Side, akụkụ, middle, etiti. Another one is front, 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 ihu, front, ihu. Opposite of it is back, azụ, back, azụ. Another one is raining, rainy, rainy, mmiri ozuzo, mmiri ozuzo, rainy, mmiri ozuzo. Opposite of it is sunny, sunny, anwụ ọchịcha or anwụ otiti, anwụ otiti, sunny, anwụ otiti. Another one is alive, alive, ya bụ ndụ, ndụ, alive, ndụ. Opposite of it is dead, dead, ọnwụ, dead, ọnwụ. Another one is angel, angel, mmụọ ozi, angel, mmụọ ozi. Opposite of it is devil, ekwensu, devil, ekwensu. Another one is much, 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 something big, much. In Igbo you call much ọtụtụ, ọtụtụ, ihe dị ọtụtụ, ọtụtụ, much. Opposite of it is little, little, obere, little, obere. Wide, wide, obosara, wide, you call it obosara in Igbo. Spacious, obosara, ihe sara asa. Opposite of it is narrow, 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 wara wara. In Igbo you call narrow wara wara. Obosara, wara wara, wide, narrow. Another one is rich, 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 ọgaranya. You call rich ọgaranya in Igbo. Rich, ọgaranya. Opposite of it is poor. Opposite of rich is poor. Ọgaranya, ogbenye, ọgaranya, ogbenye, poor, ogbenye, ọgaranya, rich. Another one is build, build, to build something, build, ịrụ, ịrụ, to build something, maybe to build a house, or to build a car, or anything you can build. You call it ịrụ, build, ịrụ. Opposite of it is destroy, destroy, destroy. Opposite of build is destroy, nkwatu, ịkwatu ihe. Maybe after building a house or a shop, you destroy it. Ịkwatuo ya. Another one is fast, 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 ọsọ ọsọ. Opposite of it is slow, nwayọọ, nwayọọ. Another one is forget, forget, forget. Chefuo, forget, chefuo in Igbo. Opposite of chefuo or forget is what? Remember, remember, cheta. Remember, cheta. Another one is free, free, free bụ nnwere onwe, free, nnwere onwe. Opposite of free is what? Arrest. Opposite of free is arrest. That is njide, njide. Another one is little, little. Little means obere or ntakịrị, obere. Little, obere or ntakịrị. Opposite of it is many, ọtụtụ, many, ọtụtụ. Another one is sad. Ịnọkọ iwe na-ewe. You are sad. Iwe a na-ewe gị, idowe ihe otu a. Opposite of it is happy. Sad bụ gịnị? Iwe maọbụ obi ọjọọ. Maybe na mmadụ kwasoro gị iwe. Someone annoys you. Opposite of sad is what? Happy, aṅụrị. Sad, iwe. Happy, aṅụrị. Another one is win. Maybe to win something. Win, mmeri. Win, mmeri. Opposite of win or mmeri is lose. Lose, ọdịda. Lose, ọdịda. Another one is question. Question, ajụjụ. Question bụ ajụjụ in Igbo. Opposite of question is what? Answer. Answer, azịza. Answer, azịza. Another one is ancient. Ancient. Mgbe ochie maọbụ agba ochie. Ancient, agba ochie. Opposite of it is modern, agba ọhụụ. Modern, agba ọhụụ. Another one is big. Big, nnukwu. Big means nnukwu. Opposite of it is small. Small, obere or ntakịrị. Another one is female. Female, nwanyị. Female, nwanyị. Female, nwanyị. Opposite of female is male. Nwoke. Male, nwoke. Ya no, bye. Like and share our videos, guys. Bye. Ka emesienụ.